I'm not really in something that's familiar with most tourists that are coming to Bali. However, I want to cover the capital of Bali, which is Denpasar, and just show you around the main street. It's got so many shops, guys. Has a great collection of eating places. We have a big one here in Indonesia. This is a big one. Looking for any camera equipment, this is a great place to come for people selling stuff on the backs of the motorbikes. These guys, when you come to these kind of places, look at the night and the satay. They're selling bakso. Good afternoon from Bali, Indonesia. So I'm here today in Denpasar. So I'm not really in something that's familiar with most tourists that are coming to Bali. However, I want to cover the capital of Bali, which is Denpasar, and just show you around the main street here in Denpasar, which is a street called Teuku Umar. This is a very, very long street, and it's very noisy and busy with the traffic on the main road. However, it does offer, it's the business district here in Bali, and it does offer many, many shops available to you along this street. So I'm currently stood right outside a big mall here in Denpasar, which is called Level 21, which is not so old. It's quite a new mall, and it's very, very beautiful. However, I'm not going to cover that in today's video. I'm going to take a wander along the street and show you some of the shops that are available along the main street. Well, this is Level 21 mall. Here we have a Starbucks coffee. Has a great collection of eating places here. That's a very big mall, as you can see, guys. It goes right down to the end there. And that's Level 21 mall. This is the main road, this is the main street here in Denpasar called Jalan Teuku Umar. So what I'm going to do, guys, even though this is going to take some time, I'm going to zigzag across the street and just show you the places that may be of interest to you guys, because the street's too big to cover all in one video, and there's so many big shops here along this street. Just across from Level 21 mall, guys. So this place in the background, this is the main telecommunications provider here in Indonesia, Telkomsel, which you're all going to see when you get to the airport. There's the two major ones here are Telkomsel and XL. This is the main office of the biggest provider here in, I think it's the biggest provider in Indonesia, not just Bali. It's very busy on the roads. And then next here, guys, there's some phone shops. Oppo, you have Oppo here, and you have a place called Planet Gadget. So this is sells all your phones, iPhone, Samsung, all the phones available in here, guys. Couple of little places available to get your coffee and pastry. Wow, this street's so busy, so noisy. We have a big iPhone shop here, guys. And many little restaurants as well also here. Some form of church. A big jewellery shop there. Another phone shop. coffee shop. So the main thing available to you guys along in Denpasar here is mobile phones. There's quite a lot of restaurants as well, small and large restaurants selling all varieties of foods. You have some specialist shops I'm going to show you. There's a specialist camera shop as well here. That's a great place to come if you need any camera equipment or anything while you're here in Bali. And there's some hotels as well along here, just a basic district hub of major shops that you'd normally see in any city centre. Have an juice here, guys. This is a very popular restaurant here in Indonesia. This is a big one. They have this throughout Indonesia, not just Bali. Another collection of little restaurants. You can see how busy they are, all the motorbikes. Have another one called the Orange over there, another restaurant. This is a place for computers, laptops. And then just here, if you're looking for any camera equipment, this is a great place to come for your camera equipment. DOS Camera and Gadget. Fabulous shop. Big Honda dealership here, guys. See, it just goes on and on and on down there. See, again you have another huge mobile phone shop here called Eworld. And then you have another big one here called Cellular World. Another huge mobile phone shop. Here selling light fittings, guys. Huge array of light fittings. Here you have the Planet Gadget, which is another mobile phone shop. It's Oppo, another mobile phone shop. People selling stuff on the backs of the motorbikes, coffees, teas, all for very cheap prices. So in the more traditional Indonesian style places, you're going to see motorbikes like that going around carrying little packets of their drinks. They mix coffee, they mix juices, different types of things that you can buy for very cheap prices, and they just mix it there right on site on the back of the motorbike. Everything is done, but it's just in order to have get a cheap refreshment drink. Another phone shop here called Erafone. This is a great place to come if you need a phone case or a screen for your phone. This has phone cases and screen protectors at very cheap prices. Circle K next door. Bata shoe shop. Just look at the prices, guys, when you come to these kind of places. So much cheaper when you're in the true local places against the tourist areas. The Harvest, this is a place to get your cakes and bread from, and also a coffee shop. A Lewis jeans shop here, guys. Another big phone shop here, Handphone shop. This is a great place to come if you're looking for outdoor gear for trekking. So Ray, this place basically sells all your outdoor adventure gear, your bags, your trekking shoes, etc. Just anything connected with outdoor activity you'll find at this place. An Ace Hardware over the road there, which is like a DIY store. Big Indo Market. They have these little local warungs selling very cheap food. Another local warung place here. Food. Night factory outlet here, guys. 70% off. Looking the satay. Another little warung here. Another mobile phone shop, Diamond Handphone. Wow guys, so if you're looking for a phone and you need a phone here in Bali, Jalan Umar, there's so many big phone shops here. Another one of the little carts here selling Baxo. Clothing shop here selling all the brands, Adidas, Puma, Nike. There's so many shops, guys. The bank here. Two textile shops here, guys, right next door to each other. A Dunkin' Donuts here, guys, just right before the roundabout. And then you think the traffic is crazy in the tourist areas. Now I want to show you crazy traffic. A motorbike spare shop place here selling parts for the motorbikes. A place here called Istana Bonica which sells some nice soft toys. And the road after the roundabout just carries straight on up there. Okay guys, that concludes my tour of the main street here in Denpasar. I don't want to walk any further because this is a long road. It goes on again. That's literally halfway the roundabout. There's another half after that. However, I don't want to walk that far. It is so hot and I don't want to make the video too long for you guys. I'll cover that area in another video. Just wanted to give you a glimpse of what's here in the centre of Denpasar. I'm not sure whether there's anything of any interest to you here. If you're looking for phones, electrical gadgets, computer repairs, things like that. There's a great camera shop here also. This is a great place to come for you to get all of those things. Hope you've enjoyed the vlog, guys. Enjoyed sharing Denpasar with you, the capital here of Bali. And I shall say bye for now.